Next, I request, I know you are eagerly waiting to hear his words, and I welcome Mr. Thomas K. Joseph, sir, to hear his great and marvelous speech. Please, sir.
Respected President of Patambi Unit MES and the Manager of MES Patambi, Dr. K.P. Abubakar, the Secretary of MES, Sri Achakoy Tangal, Principal of MES Patambi, Mrs. Asha, former principals, Mohammed sir, Matthew sir, Mrs. Srilekha, other members of MES Unit Patambi, the administrative officer, other staff, and my dear beloved children. Because this is how I have always been addressing you, even when you were in class 12. Though of course I see those children have got their children with them right away. It certainly is a great moment, an unforgettable experience. In the past 25 years of my career as a teacher and 17 years as principal, this morning when I was standing just before you at the morning assembly, I was certainly taken aback. I always tell my students, be very careful at each and every moment of your life, because life is one thing that cannot be rewound. But this morning I thought even life can be rewound. Because from the first batch of class 10 students, that was in 1995, till the last batch, 2008, children were all there. And I could see, I was glancing and I could see children almost in every line from this end to the other end. There were students who were here while I was here. And I'm really grateful to the organizers of this meet, starting with the principal, the president of the Alumni Association, Mr. Nazar, who was the then head boy, the secretary, Mr. Shafi, and all other executive committee members, and the real alumni of this great school have really given me an opportunity to come back to this place, to address you all, to see you all, which I think is a very rare occasion in life. Because it was a generation before me during the assembly. And it's great. And teachers always remain teachers. But the students go up to greater heights. And there are teachers, there are doctors, there are many others who are in very high post, and seeing you all together, children, it's marvelous. It's inexplicable. The feeling is inexplicable. And you're all sitting back as students, because I remember I've had the opportunity to meet the first batch of senior students was in class 9. It was in 1993. On the 10th of July, I joined the school here, and the senior most class was class 9. I had the privilege to take them to the 10th standard in 1995, the first batch of 10th standard, and 1997, the first batch of 12th standard. And there were 17 students in the first batch of class 10. And in 12, barring 2, they came 15. Now, of course, the school has grown, and I believe it's about 1,200 plus. And during the course of the growth of the institution, the students who have gone out of the institution have also grown, showing light to thousands of people outside. And Mr. Nazar has rightly put it, and I'm sure the happiest man today present in this campus is none other than the person, as he has rightly pointed out, a man with MES blood in his veins. A man who thinks, works 24 hours about MES. And he always was boasting about the great experience that he have had, the beginning, the thatched shed with a very handful children. Dr. K.P. Abubakar. He is a man of great vision, and it is his hard work which has certainly made this moment possible, and I am sure there is nobody in this campus who can be more happy than he himself is. Then of course we have got Mr. Atakoy Tangal and very many others who have come, the younger generation who have perfected, who have given a perfection's touch to the growth of the institution. It is now one of the institutions to reckon with in the state of Kerala. And it is doing a wonderful service, and but for the greatness of the institution, these all students would not have come. And my hats off to the very, very sincere workers of MES Patambi for the growth of this institution. Children, as I have always been addressing you like this, and I still call you children, and you are simply great because you have made it. You have made it possible to be here today. And therefore, this is not simply a once in a lifetime meet. This should be the beginning of such meetings in future to come. And I do not want to open my advice box as I have always been doing as a principal or a teacher here. But let me tell you, I would like you to come back to the school, address the students, please meet the principal, meet the management, make these things possible. Address the students, tell them about your experience, tell them about what you are today. They will definitely be encouraged by your presence. Because I'm sure when we were talking about school life, perhaps none of you appreciated the value of school life. Now you have chosen to give the Alumni Association the name as School Days. Now you have understood the value of school days. It's a tremendous experience.
Technology has come to our aid. It is leading us all the way. But at times, it can be just like this. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because that is... So my dear children, you must, as I told you, get back to your school, because today, whenever I go back to my hometown, whenever I go back to the places where I have had my education, I make it a point to go there, though perhaps nobody there who can recognize me. But I believe the walls, the stones, the pillars, the grains of sands in the campus will certainly recognize, and that nostalgic moment is inexplicable. You cannot describe that feeling. And today, MES Patambi has made it possible for the old students of the school to get back.